finished my homework last night. She cooked delicious food yesterday. They watched a movie last weekend. We went to the park in the evening. He called me in the morning. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. My parents visited the village last month. I learned many things from that experience. She studied hard for the exam. I didn't like the movie. She didn't understand the question. They didn't attend the meeting. We didn't finish the project on time. He didn't speak clearly. I didn't go to the party. She didn't complete her task. They didn't know the answer. We didn't hear any noise. Did you see him at the station? Did she go to college yesterday? Did they win the match? Did we miss the train? Did he enjoy the movie? Did I make a mistake? Did you understand the lesson? Did your friend visit you? Did she answer the phone?
সম্মানিত ভিউয়ার্স, আপনাদের যদি এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে এবং উপকারে আসে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না।